All right. Now, in the previous lecture, we gave the prompt and then we waited for Opal to create an app for us. So the Opal created the app. It's ready. We have some flow over here. We also explored the kind of interface that we are provided with. It's called as Canvas. And when we ran the app, it created this whole workflow. And as well towards the right, we could see that, okay, yeah, I mean, things are happening as they should. Also, we attempted to run the app. As an end user, we provided a product image, we provided a product description, and it automatically created a great looking video. And it added some elements that we didn't ask for, but I think it went well with the product image description. So I am quite happy with the output. Now, let's say you are okay with the output, but there is no text around. It doesn't look like a marketing material because until there is a text that goes along, I think it's not very appropriate to just use this. So we are going to ask the app to update this video, but also add some text elements to it. Now, in order to do so, you see over here we have an option to suggest and edit. So I would come over here and I would say, please add some relevant text to the video so that it is ready for our marketing campaign. Okay, add the logo, one liner, and um, a short sales pitch. Okay, so this is what I'm expecting it to do. So I've already created the app. The app is ready. I can use it further, but now I'm also asking the Opal to edit the app only by giving a prompt. So let me hit this submit button and let's see the magic that's going to happen now. So it is taking in the prompt, it is understanding what is supposed to be done. And all right. So you would see that it has edited the whole workflow, right? And it is asking us to give us a logo image, okay, a one liner, a sales pitch, and then it would add it automatically to them. Now, I probably, let's say, do not want this to happen. I don't want to give the logo image. I don't want to give the one-liner sales pitch. Okay, since it has already done so, let me try to now run the app and see if it's working as it should. So let's click on Start Product Description. Uh, Chloe dress from Zara. Chloe dress from Zara. Um, Perfect for summers. Okay, upload an image of the product. The product image is right over here. Okay, press now continue. Company logo. Okay, let's say I have logo and I'm just going to use this. Okay, save image as, and then I'm going to say Zara logo. I'm just going to save it and I'm just going to upload it right over here. It's right over here, and then I click next. Concise, catchy one-liner. Uh, Summer ready floral press. Okay, and then short, compelling sales pitch. Um Buy the perfect dress this summer. Okay, all right. So now it is generating a good marketing script for us. And under the video instructions, you would see that it's kind of a updated one. And you would see that it has one liner, sales pitch, logo image, and then it is going to create a marketing video. And you would see the flow, I mean, the lines over here. If you see that something is happening over here, and now it is up to the marketing video because this one is highlighted. Okay. All right, it's almost there. I think it's on the last step. So the marketing video is just getting ready. You can, as I said, move things so that you are aware of what is happening where, and makes it easy for you to review, right? It's still on that last section, the marketing video. It is creating the video for us, and you can go to the console and see where we are around what's happening. So usually, as I've seen, when you ask it to create videos, it takes VO 3.0, and it takes around 1 minute of time, around 60 seconds to 90 seconds to create that video. Usually expect that duration, and it also depends upon the number of users running this simultaneously, also the quota that you have. So remember of these facts. That's how long it will take to run the app finally. All right. I think it's almost there. So let's see what it came up with. All right. Now, my feedback to this was that it brought in the logo perfectly. I think it gave a good twirl to the dress. However, the text that it added over here, you see that it's definitely not as expected by T key or perfect dress this summer. So yeah, I think at some places it didn't went well, but overall, I think it was a good attempt. I will I can do further edits, and suppose there is something that you do not want. Suppose I don't want the sales pitch to be given. I don't want the one liner to be given. I just want the logo image to be given along with the product image, the product description, and that should be it. So yeah. Okay. So I've removed some of these, and then I can probably rerun, and then it will automatically. And then I can also make some edits over here. Create the marketing pitch by yourself and add to the final video. Okay. And create the marketing pitch by yourself. Okay. And add to the final video. Now I'm just going to ask. um app itself to do this. So I've added a second layer of editing, and I'm just going to ask app to Opal to do this for me rather than me doing it myself. Okay. Again, it's asking me for the one liner. I don't know. I mean, I can probably delete this selection and then click on start. Okay. Product description of Chloe press from Zara. Okay, image of the product. It's right over here. Then I click send brand's logo image. Okay, I'm just gonna add the Zara logo. Then I'll hit submit. I hope it doesn't create any issue of the missing because you see those ones are in red right now. So those are missing from the input. So it was a part of input, and it was a part of this whole instruction thing. But we have removed those inputs, so these ones went red. So you see that it's very visual kind of flow that tells us, okay, what is the connection, what is the input, what is the output, what is missing, and what is it that we are currently working on. So I think that's kind of a very good visual uh, workflow that we are working with. And I think it works really well in most of the cases. I think the first app that I showed you, where it creates five different images for my outfit idea. I think that was fabulous because it was very fast. It was an image, and Gemini's 2.5 flash image model is as well pretty great. So it created five different versions of me just based on the text inputs I gave and my photograph. Uh, Pretty great. I think I'll go to console here again. Let's have a look how many seconds have elapsed. So it's around 50 seconds have already gone. I expect it to be ready with the video. around by 60 to 70 seconds. Let's hope that it does. And yeah, I mean, if you are trying along, make sure that you are following the steps, you are seeing what's happening over here in the console. If you are interested, look at the as well the prompts that are created automatically. Even the there is a lot of technical stuff that goes along. So let's have a look. I hope we get a better video this time. It did not. Okay. I think overall it was a decent attempt. I'll not say 100% accurate. So one liner went missing, and that's why there is a lot of errors. Remove the one output completely. Just add the logo and a caption that goes along the press. Okay, let's see if Opal is going to understand it at this time. So when you are working with these applications, you will see that there's a lot of things that come across, and not every app is a very straightforward app. Now, if you are creating a very simple app, okay, I'm giving you a photo, you create a video, I think it's a very simple app and it can work wonders. And however, the more you try to complicate it, the more you try to add more elements like text, like captions, one liners, you know it will definitely break at some places. And sometimes it's possible that it doesn't gives you responses as you expect it to. So very quickly, uh, ah, I think now there are no errors, so let's see how it turns up. This product description. uh, this is our logo, so we press next and that's it. So maybe another minute, and we should be ready with the final app. So again, every app is an output that came after a lot of iterations. Okay, so make sure that you understand this fact and go with the flow accordingly. Also, if you look here, there is a version history, so you can go back to any versions, and this will uh, give you a bit of a text prompts. Okay, what happened over here? So you can go back, select anything and go back and to that particular portion where you can see, okay, this is what it is. So I think it's at the last portion, marketing video. I'll go to console. I'll look at, okay, it's been 30 seconds. I think more 30 seconds, and we should be able to look at the final video. Again, there are different steps that are being taken. So generated marketing script, product caption. So again, it has automatically picked up a product caption, which is Zara Flowy Blue Floral Midi. Okay, which is not bad. Again, what about the script? The Zara dress adorned with delicate white floral, sky blue background, V neckline, puff sleeves, etc. So it has done pretty well. Let's now have a look at the final video. I think it's just the caption that has come up. Also, it has given up the logo. Overall, I think I hope you understand the concept of giving prompts to the app and then you know getting the output, then giving more editing prompts to the app and getting further outputs. The idea was not to create a final perfect app, but to show you how to get those iterations done until you reach the final output as you expect. So what we started with and what we are at now is way different, and we have done 3 4 iterations just by giving prompts, and that's the power of Opal. All right, I hope this was helpful. What we'll see in the next one is how to share this app that you just created. So stay tuned, and I'll see you in the next.